Hey everyone, today we are setting up the Eastwood Air Piping System, or APS. We're using the 3 drop-down kit to show you how to get clean, convenient shop air wherever you need it, without the hassle of dragging hoses across the floor. Follow along, and if at any point you want to see what's available, simply click the link in the description below. First, here's why the APS is a game changer. It's modular and scalable. Start with a 3-drop kit, upgrade to a 6, or buy parts a la carte. It's lightweight 1-inch aluminum piping, high flow, corrosion resistant, and visually clean. It's strong PA-6 composite fittings, straight connectors, elbows, T's, ball valves, unions, you name it. Say goodbye to dragging hoses across your shop and no more running short. Every wall plate gives you a close port for your tools. We actually just installed a 3 drop-down kit in the studio. Let's walk you through how we did it. First, pick the compressor location, ideally near power and with space for a braided hose connection. For us, this is actually where the compressor feed from our warehouse enters the studio. You may have some more flexibility. Next, choose your drop-down locations. These are your ideal tool areas or bench stations. Then, plot your piping route from compressor to each drop, using mounts every 4 feet. With that all figured out, you can go ahead and lay out your 1-inch aluminum pipes. Satisfied, you can then cut them down, then use the included chamfer tool to deburr them for a leak-free seal. Now, we worked from our compressor out to the rest of the shop, mounting our air lines with the included wall mounts every 4 feet or so. Make sure to attach to studs or use anchors for drywall. Solid mounting keeps vibrations and sagging in check. Depending on your shop size, you'll need to use some unions. To mount the pipe into a union, slide on your fitting, turn the collar by hand. Finally, snug it with the included spanner wrench. The process will be the same for attaching your 90-degree fittings or T-joints wherever you need a drop-down. For the wall plate, we start by getting the pipe loosely in the area where we want our wall plate to be, fine-tuning based on the pipe we have available, and then mounting the plate and then the line. These are the real star of the show, as they give you multiple ports per location and make it easy to plug in hoses or tools directly. You can also add in an optional ball valve, which will let you isolate sections if needed. Now, as we mentioned, our compressor hookup was already pre-installed, but yours probably won't be. You should currently have your compressor next to a hard line, but not hooked up. So here's how to do that. Use a flexible braided hose, either short or long, to connect your compressor to the APS line. The flex helps absorb vibration and protects your system over time. This is also where you can add in any other filters, dryers, or accessories, so you can really have the system that you want. If you're using this for auto body, a CFS or something similar could be installed in here between the compressor and the rest of the system. With all that hooked up, let's go ahead and pressurize the lines. Now we check for leaks with soapy water around each fitting. If bubbles appear, tighten until they stop. And that's about it! You now have a system that will help you avoid long hoses across your floor, always have air where you need it, has a clean, professional look with durable components, will actually expand the overall capacity of your system, great when using with a smaller compressor, is modular so you can add drops or expand at any time, and is made of aluminum so it's leak resistant and corrosion free. If you want details or part numbers, or to learn about any of our other products, simply hit the link in the description below.